Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to download Instagram video on your Android device. So let's start. To download Instagram video, you need an application. So go to Google Play Store, then search by typing video downloader for Instagram. Now download and install this application. I have already installed this application. Now open Instagram application, then log into your account. Now search videos or photos, which photo or video you want to download. I want to download this video, so tap on the three dots and copy the video link. Now open Instagram video downloader application, which application you downloaded just now from Google Play Store. This application automatically collected my copied link. If this application not collected the link, you just paste your link in the box. Then tap on the paste button here to automatically download your video. My video has downloaded. Now I will play this video. I am opening my MX player and then go to the Insta download folder. You can see that the video has downloaded. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.